niggas is simpletons. Tell them bitches fall back, just like they was limboing. We still gotta Acura, but showtime we be limoing. Rest in peace to the dead, bring that white widow in. Chilly 90s, baby, it ain't golden shiny, baby. She been trying to fight me lately, got a temper tiny, baby. Yeah, Swelly is just a movement, hope you understand that. Yo, tap is crazy how we simple on that hand clap. And that's quite amazing if they ask me. Shit, does somebody have a L that they could pass me? Get into a little more classy. I guess I got this in the bag, we should have tea. English girls, shorty say she came in park. To the fact I'm good with words, yeah, I got them language arts. Cruising by the ocean, cause I know this is a game of sharks. Music and money, bet I never let it change my heart. Closes 9 o'clock, and they say I'm dripping swell. Somebody should find a mop. I be where it's sunny, then I'm touring where the climate drops. Watch for police, then hit boutiques like it is time to cops. Yeah, I'm just trying to pun, so can I find my spot? Parents complaining, saying we don't spend time a lot. I'm super chill, but I think that's just the hot in me. Plus we be feeling like that movie that they gotta see. So, who hot is me? Take a bitch on the Odyssey. You just smoke a lot of trees, good for the economy. Yeah, I'm still up on my Grizzly Mike Connolly. That was just a preview, cause they got nothing on me. Freshman never coming out, mixtape lingerie. Started off a band, elevated to a R&B. Then a few niggas got emotional R&B. Cause when your shit get in they face, it really ain't hard to see.
Ja, Jörgs! Hea töö, Toomas!
Tom on juba kuskil siin maal selle palliga, tal on väga raske on siia sööta, väga raske on siia sööta. Need vennad, et sa oled nagu vaateväljast, siis ta saab sulle siia korvi alla, sa nagu kohe sööta, siis ta näeb sind. Kui sa oled siin kuskil ääre peal, siis on väga raske sööta. Rünnakul proovime liikuda nendesse kohtadesse. Teine asi.
Hästi, Joonas, veel! Homme siis uuest lahingusse, 1, 2, 3,